The tourism sector is a key component of Uganda's economy, contributing 7% of the country's GDP. Uganda is a major tourist destination with several features including the source of the Nile and national parks, as well as rich and diverse cultures. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs with partners have launched the Uganda-Kenya Coast Tourism Conference 2023 to be held from 13th to 14th of November 2023 in Kenya.
Possesses some unique tourism products that can be used to make it one of the world's leading tourist destinations. We possess some of the rarest primates in the world, Namugongo Mata shrines, source of the Nile, rich culture, among others. Therefore, our missions abroad need to rigorously market these products. I would like to commend our consulate in Mombasa for realizing this potential by partnering with stakeholders in Uganda and the Kenya coast to promote the implementation among these unique tourist products from two countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya is Uganda's leading source market, and last year alone, over 370 Kenyans visited Uganda for various reasons. Also, Uganda is Kenya's second leading source market after the USA.
Uganda and Kenya are cross sources of visitors, with Kenya sending 370,000 visitors as compared to Uganda's 150,000 across the border. These travels are key to economic development.
Work that the minister may not be able to perform and which we had to do physically on the ground is the promotion of economic and commercial diplomacy, the promotion of tourism, trade and investment. So in this regard, we have prioritized the promotion of tourism cooperation between Uganda and the Kenya coast. And why should we focus on tourism? One, Kenya is Uganda's biggest source market for tourists.
Daudi Migereko, the chairman Uganda Tourism Board, believes the conference will help promote financial inclusion and has called upon partners to come on board.
The tourism industry in Mombasa and Uganda. And I want to thank the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our ambassador in Mombasa and Deputy for the wonderful work they are doing to ensure that we grow the industry from the point of view of marketing touristic attractions of Uganda in Mombasa and marketing of tourist attractions of Mombasa in Uganda.
The conference comes on the heel of revelations that passengers transiting through Entebbe International Airport had risen past before pre-pandemic levels. Nagujja Serena, Beg Television.